People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you may remember when I did St. James and Area 1 Most Wanted list. Well, today it's all about Clarendon. Right now, I'm sure somebody is going to recognize one of these individuals, right? And who knows, it might help to catch them and take them off of the streets. Now, we're going to play a game. It's called Pin the Tail and the Dummy. You know, you used to have the game called, or will you have the game called Pin the Tail and the Donkey? She's Pin the Tail and the Dummy. Because some of the names these 87s have, clearly they are not the sharpest tool in the shed. As a matter of fact, people, I'll go as far as to say it look like the 87 Octanes are running out of name ideas. They're running out of ideas as to what them can call themselves, to the point that now they're starting to sound ridiculous. I'm going to start with the first person on your screen right now. That is a youth named Leon Rose, 25 years old, from Effortville in Maypen, Clarendon, right? As you can see, he's of a lighter complexion and he's slim, right? He's wanted for murder. This youth main name in the street is Hitler. Hitler, dog? Really? Leon Rose? Hitler? Brother, listen, I understand it's only heavily influenced by what you see on TV, right? And when you hear about, when you hear people talk around and people throw some names out there and, you know, someone, you think, oh yeah man, that sound cool, Hitler. Dog, find the next name, my youth. Find the next name. This is only a black man would call himself Hitler. There is no other group of people on earth outside of people who are actually white supremacists who would call themselves Hitler. Right? Even the average white man would shun the name Hitler. And this brother here called himself Hitler. And I walk up and down and call himself Hitler. And to be honest, dog, the one murder charge they have upon you, that not even, because me never say or try to say you're so evil and wicked that you need to be called Hitler. If that is the charge you have upon you, that one charge, that not even worth it, to be honest, right? Change the name to dog. This is as ridiculous as a skinhead calling himself Malcolm X, right? Or a member of a skinhead gang calling himself Marcus Garvey. That's ridiculous. It will never happen. Get rid of that name, you. I understand you want to be tough. I understand you want people to fear you, right? But these names are getting dumber and dumber as the days go by. This is why I pointed out in the other video that day. I was telling you that a Mexican youth named the Lord of the Skies, right? This brother decides, oh yeah, what me can come up with? Yeah, I get it, Hitler. That's just ridiculous, dog. Right? And just by looking at you, I can tell you're not really that sharp anyway, right? I guess maybe they catch up on a bad day, because the picture look like you just pick up what they did, right? So just change the name, dog. Right? This is stupid. I understand say you're 87 and yeah, you're a bad man and nothing to talk and rah, tough guy, yeah, me get that. Right? But it's ridiculous. A black man walking himself, walk out and calling himself Hitler. Come on, bro. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing, even if you're 87. Next up, we have Ntini Powell, right? AKA Neville. People, look on film age. Look at his age and look what he wanted for. Right. Come on, no people have do the Sir P, yeah, what happened to the 17-year-old on the roadway and this something, man. What a 17-year-old could have do? I mean, what a 17-year-old could have do? What a 16-year-old could have do? What a 15-year-old could have do? A young youth about the most going to Jamaica right now. That we need to know, right? And the young youth them about the most gun in Jamaica right now. When you look at this 10 most wanted list, you're going to see the age of the youth them. And you're going to see the majority of them are young youth. Right? Now this brother, listen, what I'm telling you about 87s and this feminine energy them have. Right? What I'm telling you about so-called bad man and this feminine thing where most of them have around them. Right? See the man well filtered on and eyebrow well did, right? All facial hair gone. Come on, people. And then people want to tell you say we must lock up in our house and don't go up on the road because I them man run the streets. And if a boy diss me, well, them man are more dainty than woman. Them man are more feminine than woman. Right? This youth, 16-year-old. Right? 16-year-old wanted for murder, right? And him look like one of the them out of New Kingston. When they drive past New Kingston, the youth them stand up. If you drive past New Kingston certain hours a night, and you see the youth them stand about there, I saw them look like the youth here, right? And you see what kind of charge him off my female, and you see film age, right? But I guess this is the trend. I guess this is cool. This is what men look like nowadays apparently, and I'm getting old anyway, so I'm telling that all the time. Right, so people, this one probably easy to spot. Actually, no, you know what? Cause this one probably the hardest one to spot because so much youth look like this, he might last in the crowd, right? But anyway, Mr. Badman, 17, right? Find yourself down at the nearest police station before them find you, cause you know what going time police put out wanted list, and then you turn up and them catch you first. You know that guy already. So if you want to see your 17th birthday, and in yourself to the nearest police station, brother. Next up, we have another teenager, right? 18 years old, Romain Murray, from Comfort District in Clarendon, wanted for shooting with intent. 2 counts at that. 18-year-old, right? What's his name? John Tom. People, tell Mr. 87 is not run out of name. Tell Mr. 87 is not run out of ideas for names. John Tom, the man name reach now, you know. So me go sit down in my yard and hear say, yo, somebody say they want look for you to come this, you know. I say, yo, who? And somebody go say, John Tom. And I say, oh, why real name? No, a John Tom actually name. Come on, people, this is ridiculous. John Tom. That's what. This is what 87 sound like. This is what 87 Badman name changed to in 2020. John Tom, right? This is, I mean, people, let's move on. Come on and spend too long on him, you know. Brother, step up your name game, right? Step up your name game. This is ridiculous, right? Here we go again. Right? Zemar Andre Nelson, otherwise called Nelson Dylan or Terminator Boy. Terminator Boy, age 24, from Buzzrock, Effortville, Clarendon, wanted for murder, shooting with intent. Terminator Boy, brother, listen. Terminator Boy, yo, I think them have to need to start the whole video game and movie. We have to start really taking what go on and what somebody you can watch, because these names, as I said, this is ridiculous. Terminator Boy, I'm sorry, me can't afraid of nobody named Terminator Boy. You could have fired 100 gun. I don't care if you have the biggest rifle. You can't make me fear somebody named Terminator Boy. You might have to come shoot me, but you can't. Nobody can say, yo, Terminator Boy, send come call you know. Send come call who? Somebody can name so? Terminator Boy. Man, cut the foolishness here, man. Now we have somebody who actually, let's say a big man age, 42 years old, Dwayne Butler, aka Tez. Right, he's from Farm District, Maple Clarendon. He's wanted for murder. Brother, them ripe age, right? You're gonna in your prime, cause to be honest, people, man really start them prime when they reach about 40, cause at them time them man really second at themselves, right, and get more secured certain ways, right? And this brother wanted for murder at them age, 42 dog, 42 Tez. People, check this out. Hear this description, right? Tez, he's medium build, right, and about 152 centimeters. 152 centimeters. That is exactly 5 feet tall, right? So that is not just short, that is very short. People, let me tell you something. If you ever see a gang of man come, right, and a 10, 20, 30 of them, and you want to know which one of them to avoid the most, avoid the shortest one. I don't know what it is about short man and badness, but when short people get involved in a badness, people, them have to be the worst out of the gang. Them have to be the worst. If you shoot 5, them have to shoot 10. If you shoot 10, them have to shoot 15. Trust me, people, you don't want to play around with the shortest man in the gang. Right? Him are the most dangerous man, right? Him have everything to prove. You don't want to take no chances, right, with somebody who is 152 centimeters, right? And that is exactly 5 feet tall, right? I don't think I've met many people in my life who are 5 feet tall. That is really, really short, people. Watching the back, in my opinion, this brother is probably one of the most dangerous on the list, right? Terrible. 152 centimeters tall, people, avoid this man at all costs, right? Anyway, you see him, call the police, right, and get them come scrape him up. Tez, find yourself down at the nearest station, brother. Trust me, because I don't want you say the man ain't come for you and you're the day home with your family, and then next thing you hear say shot fly all over the place and innocent people lose them life. Right, so just make things easier upon yourself and upon everybody. And in yourself, brother. Next up, we have another youth, 18 years old, right, teenager again, Delroy Burkitt, aka Little D, wanted for murder, and I'm guessing them call him Little D because this youth, again, well, he's a bit taller than Tez, right? This youth is 5 feet 5 inches tall, people, and as you can see, he's of lighter complexion, right? Look like him have some kind of curly hair thing or one like this. So, but the thing is, obviously, this picture is taken from the side, right? So I guess we have to go catch him. If we see somebody who look like him, we have to go probably turn to this, walk to the side of him and look at him from a side angle. So if we can make him out, because this picture for some reason is taken sideways. Him now look straight on at the camera. And I guess this is the only picture they could have found of him, right? Again, people, 165 centimeters, 5 feet tall, wanted for murder, probably very dangerous, right? So people, call the police, let the police come scrape him up. Don't bother getting that, and nobody on this list, people, don't be a hero, right? Don't be a hero. Don't do like what you see in America about man, the citizens arrest and I try to cost man. Nobody the foolishness out there, so. Don't bother with it out here, so people. Just call the police and make them deal with it. That is Delroy Burkitt, aka Little D. Next up we have Fitzroy Andre Core, right, aka OJ. This youth is 25 from Alexander Drive in Clarendon. He's a brown complexion, medium build, and he's about 170 centimeters, so about 5 feet 7 inches tall, right? And he's wanted for murder. Again, people, if seen, all of them money you see, especially the one that made murder charge, people, if seen, just make the phone call and go on with your business, right? Obviously, I'm assuming, I don't know, the crazy enough, that confrontation thing with none of them money. Moving on. Look, we have a raper bull on the list, right? Or an alleged raper bull like that. George Francis, aka Wentico, right? His age is unknown, right? Frequent Blackwood District and Chapelton, Clarendon, Somers District and them place there, right? And again, people, all these people are from Clarendon, right? This is Clarendon most wanted list. But you can see on your screen what him wanted for and the kind of charges him wanted for. So people, again, when they don't know what to do, don't take a check with them money, and obviously, they don't want to let him know near your girl pit them, right? Because then you see what kind of offense he's wanted for. I want to run them kind of joke here. Moving on. Next up we have Panif Broomfield, aka Chang. I mean, I don't know how that nickname came around. He doesn't look like him have the kind of Chinese heritage. But again, you know what? When I look around, lately I've been noticing a lot of Jamaican females, a lot of black Jamaican females have been calling themselves Chin. So I don't know if the man them start calling themselves Chang, right? But again, I don't ask me where this name come from. But he's 23 years old, right? And he come from over Buzzrock, Effortville, them side there, right? But people, he's brown complexion, medium build, and about 193 centimeters. So that is about 6 feet 4 inches tall. So I guess this is the extreme end of the height pool, because we've seen 5 feet flat and now we're seeing 6 feet 4, right? So people, that's 23-year-old Panif Bloomfield, aka Chang. We're moving into the final person on the list. His name is Steve Leonard Francis. He's 37 years old. That name sounds very official, right? That name sounds like he could be the manager of a football team or something. But anyway, people, he's from Sunset Crescent. Well, he frequents Sunset Crescent and 4 Parts, Clarendon, right? And he's wanted for murder and assault, occasionally grievously bodily harm, right? So, people, that is the final person on the list. If you see any of these individuals, right, you are being asked to contact the Maypen CIB at 876-832-2077. Let me say that again. 876-832-2077. Or you can call Crime Stop at 311, or the police emergency line, which is 119. Again, people, of course, I've said it before and I say it again. If you see them money, if you just happen to run into one of them, do not challenge I really don't think Jamaicans go around challenging one thing, man. But don't make it obvious that you spot them, right? All they need is 1-2 glimpses to confirm, and then you just go on with your business and make your call, right? You see him right there, so you don't have a call there, right? People, you have to be careful, right? End of the day, this is Jamaica, right? You know, citizens arrest and hold on upon a man and not tussle up thing like you see going on in America, right? Leave it to the authorities, people. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.